A bright, confident smile can work wonders in boosting self-esteem and leaving lasting impressions. But the reality of maintaining pearly whites can be challenging, especially if you're a coffee enthusiast, a red wine lover, or just someone living life amidst the onslaught of foods and beverages that stain teeth. While professional dental whitening treatments promise dramatic results, they often come with hefty price tags and time-consuming appointments. Enter at-home teeth whitening methods, accessible, affordable, and increasingly effective with advances in technology and formulations. Let's explore the top 10 at-home teeth whitening techniques, from the simplest remedies to advanced solutions that rival professional treatments. Start simple. Brushing with whitening toothpaste. Brushing your teeth with whitening toothpaste is the most basic and accessible way to begin your teeth whitening journey. Whitening toothpaste works by using mild abrasives like silica to remove surface stains caused by coffee, tea, wine, or even certain fruits and vegetables. Some advanced formulas also incorporate ingredients like hydrogen peroxide, a bleaching agent that penetrates the enamel for deeper whitening. The best part? This method doesn't require any special preparation or additional tools. Simply swap your regular toothpaste for a whitening one and let it do the work during your daily brushing routine. While the results are gradual, with consistent use over weeks or months, you'll notice your teeth appearing cleaner and brighter. However, whitening toothpaste is most effective for maintaining the results of other whitening methods or addressing minor surface stains. It won't drastically change the natural color of your teeth or remove deep discoloration. Brands like Crest, 3D White, and Colgate Optic White are popular choices, known for their enamel-safe formulas and effective stain removal. To maximize results, combine whitening toothpaste with other at-home treatments for a more comprehensive approach. Boost results with whitening mouthwash. Adding a whitening mouthwash to your daily oral care routine can enhance your teeth whitening efforts. Whitening mouthwashes contain mild bleaching agents like hydrogen peroxide that help reduce surface stains and prevent new ones from forming. Additionally, they freshen your breath and promote overall oral hygiene. Unlike whitening toothpaste, which relies on abrasion, mouthwashes work chemically to break down stains. This makes them a gentler option for those with sensitive teeth or gums. To use a whitening mouthwash effectively, rinse with it twice a day for about 60 seconds after brushing. Over time, you'll notice a subtle yet noticeable improvement in your teeth's brightness. Keep in mind that whitening mouthwash is not a standalone solution for heavily stained teeth. It's best used as a supplement to other whitening methods, such as strips or LED kits, to maintain and extend the results. Harness the power of fruits and vegetables. Believe it or not, your diet plays a significant role in the color of your teeth. Certain foods, especially crunchy fruits and vegetables, act as natural toothbrushes that scrub away plaque and stains. Apples, carrots, and celery are excellent examples of foods that not only promote overall health, but also help clean your teeth as you chew. These foods stimulate saliva production, which is the body's natural defense against acids and stains. Saliva washes away food particles and neutralizes acids that erode enamel, making your teeth less prone to discoloration. While eating crunchy produce won't provide instant whitening, it can help maintain a cleaner, brighter smile over time. On the flip side, avoiding stain-causing foods and drinks like coffee, tea, red wine, and dark berries is equally important. If you can't resist your favorite beverages, consider using a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. Natural remedies, baking soda, and oil pulling. For those who prefer natural alternatives, baking soda and oil pulling are two popular at-home remedies. Baking soda, a common ingredient in many whitening toothpastes, is a mild abrasive that can scrub away surface stains. To use it at home, mix a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste and brush your teeth with it a few times a week. Oil pulling, on the other hand, is an ancient Ayurvedic practice that involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Advocates claim it removes toxins, reduces bacteria, and prevents staining. While scientific evidence on oil pulling's whitening effects is limited, many people swear by its benefits for oral health and freshness. These natural methods are budget-friendly and gentle, but they require consistency and patience. It's also important not to overuse baking soda, as its abrasiveness can wear down enamel if used excessively. Try whitening powders and activated charcoal. Whitening powders and activated charcoal have become trendy in recent years, especially among those seeking natural whitening solutions. These powders work by gently polishing away stains and impurities. Activated charcoal, in particular, is highly porous and is believed to absorb toxins and discoloration-causing substances from the surface of the teeth. To use these products, dip a wet toothbrush into the powder and brush your teeth gently for about 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly to avoid leaving behind any residue. The results are often visible after the first use, making these powders a popular choice for quick touch-ups. However, activated charcoal can be abrasive, so it's crucial to use it sparingly, no more than once or twice a week, to avoid damaging the enamel. Whitening pens for quick and targeted results. Whitening pens are perfect for those on the go, compact and easy to use. These pens allow you to apply whitening gel directly to your teeth without the need for trays, strips, or lights. The gel typically contains a low concentration of peroxide, making it gentle enough for frequent touch-ups. To use a whitening pen, simply twist the applicator to release the gel, then brush it onto your teeth. The gel dries quickly, so you can go about your day without worrying about residue. While pens don't provide dramatic whitening, they're excellent for maintaining brightness or targeting specific stains. Their portability makes them a favorite for busy individuals who want to keep their smile looking fresh throughout the day. Invest in whitening trays for professional-level results. Whitening trays are a classic choice for at-home teeth whitening. These trays, which can be pre-filled or custom-made, hold a peroxide-based gel against your teeth, allowing the bleaching agent to penetrate the enamel and break down deep stains. Trays are worn for 30 minutes to an hour daily, depending on the product. Custom trays, which are molded to fit your teeth perfectly, offer the best results by ensuring even coverage and minimizing gum irritation. While pre-made trays are more affordable, they may not fit as snugly, which can lead to uneven whitening or discomfort. Whitening trays are ideal for people seeking noticeable results over a short period. However, they require a bit more commitment than simpler methods like strips or toothpaste. Peel, stick, and shine with whitening strips. Whitening strips are one of the most popular at-home whitening methods, and for good reason. These thin, flexible strips are coated with a peroxide-based gel and adhere directly to the surface of your teeth. Over the course of 2 weeks, most users see a dramatic improvement in the color of their teeth. Strips are easy to use and require only about 30 minutes of daily wear. However, they may not cover the entire tooth surface, especially near the gums or between teeth, leading to uneven results. Sensitivity is another common side effect, though it usually subsides once the treatment is complete. For those seeking a balance between effectiveness, affordability, and convenience, whitening strips are a top choice. Upgrade to LED whitening kits. For professional-level results at home, LED whitening kits are a game-changer. These kits combine a peroxide-based gel with a blue LED light, which is believed to accelerate the whitening process by breaking down stains more efficiently. After applying the gel to your teeth, you wear the LED mouthpiece for 10 to 30 minutes, depending on the kit. Many users report significant whitening after just a few sessions, making this method ideal for those looking for fast results. While the science behind LED lights is still debated, their popularity speaks for itself. LED kits can be more expensive than other at-home methods, but the results often rival those of in-office treatments. Build long-term habits for a brighter smile. The most effective way to maintain white teeth is through consistent oral hygiene and healthy habits. Brush your teeth twice daily with fluoride toothpaste, floss regularly to remove plaque, and visit your dentist for cleanings. Avoid stain-causing foods and beverages, or use a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. While whitening treatments can provide immediate results, maintaining those results requires effort and consistency. By combining good oral care with one or more of the methods listed above, you can enjoy a bright, confident smile for years to come. And that's your roadmap to a dazzling smile right from the comfort of home. If you found this video helpful or just love the idea of smiling more confidently, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips, tricks, and secrets to mastering your glow-up game.